All right, this is 2 boxes of toys I'm going through. I saw my stepmother over the weekend at Haley's birthday party. She was cleaning out her basement and thought I would be interested in these 2 boxes of toys. And I'm like, sure, I'll take them, thank you. So I'm quite excited. I haven't really went through it yet. I just peeked at it, so let's see what we got. So this is, oh my god, that's cool. This is a Jiminy Cricket little plastic cup. And then here, right here, is a, what is that, Yogi Bear plastic cup. So I do have one stepsister who's a couple years younger than me, so I'm assuming most of these toys were hers, or when, you know, Val was a kid too. That was more 80s, but that might have been Val's. That looks older. And then this, oh, this is heavy. This is like a bag of, oh my god, right off the bat I'm excited. Garfield. So this is like the bag I'm not going to be able to get open. Let's see if I can get this open one-handed so I can pull out this Garfield bag. I'm not going to be able to get it open. One-handed, does not work. Alright, forget it, I can't get it open. So that looks like it is a Garfield duffel bag. That is exciting. I am definitely keeping that. And then just some miscellaneous dolls. Don't really recognize any of those. Okay, wait. Can I get it? This is not made to do one-handed. There we go. Oh my god, let's carve the bag out and see what it is. Oh, that is so cool. It's a backpack. Oh my god, this may be my new vacation backpack. That is awesome. Alright, and then we have a Barbie horse. I already have one of those. Wait, where is it? I was going to show you there's my Barbie horse with a Monster High doll on it. I can always use another Barbie horse for my Monster High dolls. Too funny. This one has a saddle. I don't think mine had a saddle, so this one's a keeper. Some of this stuff I'm going to resell. Some of it I'm going to keep. Val was just giving this to me. She doesn't expect the money. I'll probably do what I normally do for family is I do 50%. I keep 50% for my time and effort and then give her 50% of the profit. So I'll probably end up doing that because that's what I do for my family. As long as they don't get carried away giving me tons of stuff because I always have stuff to work on. This is just a videotape she said I might be interested in. It has, oh my god, you know it's old when the sticker comes off. What is it? Graduation. This is our graduation. I actually do have a DVD player, so I'm going to see if this works. And then I'm going to read about how to convert VHS to DVD, or I don't know. I know there's some way to convert it so I can watch it easier. I'll do that. And then what is this? Ooh, look at this. Golden books. Oh my goodness. So we have Santa's Workshop, Christmas Eve. Oh my gosh. These are really interesting. Rudolph. ABC Rhymes. Oh my god, that looks really old. I have this Frosty, too funny. This looks kind of newer, but I don't know why she would have newer mixed in. Let's see, is it newer? Or am I just so used to plenty of Spider-Man stuff everywhere? Does it have 2002? So this is newer. She does have grandchildren, so this might be books that she had for her grandchildren too. My stepsister has 2 daughters that are close in age to Holly's daughters. Oh my god, are these the viewfinder things? Yay! Huckleberry Hound. Oh my god. Quick Draw McGraw. That's awesome. Chili Willy. Oh my god, another Chili Willy. My husband loves Chili Willy. That's cool. Yogi Bear. Huckleberry Hound. Oh yeah, I'm keeping these. You know I collect Viewmaster stuff. Just one of my many things I collect, but I really do like my Viewmaster stuff. And then this talking Mickey thing. A wooden puzzle. Ooh. A wooden puzzle in block form. What, how does that work? I don't know. Oh, I'm tearing it. I don't understand. There's pictures. I don't know. We'll look at that later. I guess you can change out the pieces. Then, I don't know. Random clip-on ties. Don't know what I'm going to do with that. Anyone need a clip-on tie? And then a Wall Street tie. Some more books. What is this? This is a compact. That is really cool. Another book. Lots of books. Ooh, look at this Humpty Dumpty one. Teddy bear. Wizard of Oz. Ooh, Roadrunner. That one's cool. Just a zoo one. Ooh, Noah's Ark. And then the state one. Pretty cool. You know, I like those wooden puzzles. So most of this stuff I'm going to sell, but definitely keeping the horse and the Garfield backpack. I already have the Cabbage Patch doll carrier, so I will sell that. And I'm keeping the Viewmasters, but pretty much everything else I'm going to sell. But hey, free stuff. Can't resist free stuff. See, you need to tell your family and friends that you resell on eBay, so maybe they'll think of you to give you the stuff instead of donating it or throwing it away. Whenever someone gives you something, just make sure you ask them, are you giving this to me for me to resell, or are you expecting some of the money? You just need to make it clear, because several times I thought people just were giving it to me because they wanted me to have it, and then it turns out they expected to get some of the money. So you need to be very clear when someone gives you something. Are they giving it just to give it, or are they expecting some money? Oh wait, this one had a tie tag on it. That's really cool. Why did they leave that on there? Interesting. Anyway, I just got distracted by that. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.